Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how to draw grapes and color them in the easiest possible way. So first I'm going to start with one oval kind of shape in the center, and I'm going to try and make few grapes which are peeping from behind. So not all grapes will be seen fully. Some of them we can see full and some of them we can see from the background just peeping through. So I'm trying to attach these grapes. Some are full, some are just half or quarter. So just going to add some more grapes. So you will need to add till the time you think that your bunch of grapes looks very good and full. So I'm trying to try and manage the size of the bunch, and when I'm happy with it, I'm just going to make few tiny branches on the top and just make few leaves also, so that it looks very beautiful and natural, and so that I can add little bit of green color to it also. So this is the basic drawing. It's really easy to draw. Just start with one full grape and then try to attach more to it. And for these I'm going to use oil pastel colors, and I'm starting with the dark purple shade, and then I will be using light purple and also pink to give some highlights. So please enjoy the video till the end, and I will see you guys in my next video.